You get bored talking to the same like student every day,
Um,
to be honest.
I be honest? I don't know. Honestly, no, I don't get bored. Of course, there are people who I just, for some reason, like, conversation is just really easy and we always
Yeah,
have something to say and
yeah,
we always have good questions to ask and good things to talk about. And then there's some people who are like, and that's hard for me because I want to have someone who will participate with me because I'm I'm good at leading the class when I need to,
yeah.
but it's sometimes hard
I know that.
when people don't participate also, but that is a very small number of people. Most people are really excited and really awesome to talk to and everything. So, um I'm not going to say I get bored.